What, Mom?
We're about to have our first cereal ever.
Okay.
Let's eat. Yeah, baby.
What is that?
Mmm.
Ooh, he likes it. Yeah, tasty. Mmm.
Is he eating it or playing with it?
I think he's just messing with it.
I think he's just playing with it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's all over in our lap. Oh,
that is fun, sir.
You wanted it? Oh, crap.
It's gonna make a mess, Mama. That's okay.
Maybe we should have had a bit.
Let's make a mess here, Bumbo boy.
Let's go.
Mmm. Mmm.
Yay! Uh-oh, we're messy now.
Mmm. Keep going, Mama.